Have a good day for everyone. So guys, the soldering iron tip should be cleaning if a good soldering. So the soldering tip want to clean good. We have a soldering iron cleaning sponge this way. It collects little bit of water. So the iron tip is wiped this way. You see the iron tip is clean. If a good soldering, solder tip should be cleaning. The iron tip is in the first. Then at the lead to solder point. So this way you can solder in smoothly. So we meet again from next video. Thank you all my friend.